What if your WordPress site could write its own blog posts, handle its own SEO, and promote itself on social media, all without you logging in once? That is not a dream anymore. OpenClaw just made it real, and the total cost to run this whole setup is less than $30 a month. Hey, I am Paul. If you are a freelancer, a small business owner, or someone trying to build real income online without a big team or a big budget, this channel is exactly where you need to be. We talk about free and low-cost AI tools that give you actual leverage, the kind of leverage I genuinely wish I had back when I was starting my business from my brother's garage with no money, no connections, and no software. Just enough grit to figure things out one free tool at a time. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Now let me tell you what the real problem is for most WordPress site owners, because I think a lot of people will relate to this. You set up your site, you get it looking good, maybe you write a few blog posts in the first month, then life gets busy, the content slows down, the plugins get outdated, the social posts stop. The SEO never really gets built out properly because that takes time you simply do not have. You end up logging into WP Admin every few days just to feel like you are doing something, but the site never really grows. It just sits there. And that is the trap that kills most WordPress sites before they ever reach their potential. Here is where things get wild. OpenClaw is an open source AI agent that plugs directly into your WordPress site and handles the entire content and marketing operation for you. Writing blog posts, formatting them, scheduling them, generating SEO outlines, building internal links, repurposing content into social snippets and newsletter copy, moderating comments, updating plugins, basic security housekeeping. OpenClaw does all of it autonomously, running in the background while you focus on the bigger picture of your business. The framework I have built around this is what I call the passive content engine. The idea is that instead of you being the engine behind your site, you set up one connected AI system and let it do the heavy lifting consistently. You become the director, OpenClaw becomes the team, and the whole operation runs for a fraction of what a real marketing team would cost. Let me walk you through exactly how this comes together. You start with WordPress hosting through Hostinger. That runs around $3 a month. Hostinger keeps your site fast, managed, and reliable, which matters because your agent is going to be actively publishing and updating content on that site. You want a solid foundation underneath it. From there, you have two paths depending on your situation. Path one is what I call the always-on setup. You grab a Hostinger VPS for around $5 a month. That is a small virtual server that keeps OpenClaw running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even when your laptop is closed and you are asleep. This is the setup for people who want their site truly on autopilot around the clock. Path two is the free starter route. You run OpenClaw locally on your own machine using something called Ollama. Ollama lets you run AI models completely free on your local computer. No server cost, no monthly fee, $0. The trade-off is that OpenClaw only runs when your machine is on and the application is open. For beginners or anyone who wants to test this before committing to a server cost, the local route is the smartest place to start. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. Here's something that most people get wrong when they think about running an AI agent. They assume the costs are unpredictable, they imagine token bills piling up in the background, they worry about waking up to a surprise charge. OpenClaw solves that problem completely with one simple approach. Instead of connecting through the OpenAI API where you pay per token, you connect OpenClaw using your regular ChatGPT subscription login credentials. That is $20 a month. Flat, fixed, no surprises, no week where the agent runs harder than expected, and your bill jumps to $100. You know exactly what the system costs every single month. For the VPS setup, that adds up to roughly $28 total. $3 for hosting, $5 for the VPS, and $20 for ChatGPT. For the local setup, it is just $3 a month for hosting plus whatever you choose to spend on AI access. That is not a software cost, that is a marketing department. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. Every automation tool I looked at either required a developer, cost a fortune, or had so many moving parts that I gave up before finishing the setup. OpenClaw is different because the core concept is actually simple. You connect it to your WordPress site through app passwords, which is a built-in security feature inside WordPress that lets you give the agent access without sharing your main login. You point OpenClaw at your niche and your target keywords. You set your preferences for how often you want content published. Then you let it run. Once it is connected, OpenClaw can draft a full blog post from a keyword, format it properly, schedule it for publication, add meta descriptions, suggest internal links, and generate a social media caption all in one pass. then it moves to the next task on your list. That loop repeats automatically without you touching anything. The value here is not just the time you save, it is the consistency. Google rewards sites that publish regularly. Audiences trust creators who show up consistently. The hardest part of content marketing for solo operators has never been knowing what to say. It is actually showing up and executing week after week. OpenClaw removes that execution problem entirely. Now let me talk about the money angle, because this is where things get very interesting for freelancers and small agency owners. Think about what you are actually selling when you package this for a client. You are not selling blog posts. You are selling a complete content infrastructure that runs on their existing WordPress site for under $30 a month in operating costs. You charge a one-time setup fee to build and configure the system. You charge a monthly retainer to manage the agent, review the output, and keep the strategy sharp. Your client gets steady traffic growth, fresh content, and a maintained site without doing any of the work themselves. You get recurring income from a system that largely runs itself once it is set up. And the market for this is massive. Think about every local business in your area with a dusty WordPress blog. Chiropractors, accountants, fitness coaches, property managers, home service businesses, they all have websites. Almost none of them have consistent content. OpenClaw gives you something real to offer them, a live, working AI-powered content system with a clear, explainable monthly cost. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Here's the twist almost nobody talks about. Let me paint a quick picture so you can see this in action. Imagine a home renovation contractor in a mid-sized city. He has a WordPress site with 8 blog posts, the last one published 14 months ago. He has no time to write content and no budget for a marketing agency. You come in, set up OpenClaw connected to his hosting or hosted site, point it at local renovation keywords, and set it to publish twice a week. Within the first month, his site has fresh content targeting searches his competitors are ignoring. His site starts picking up local traffic. He is getting inquiries from people who found him through Google. He did not write a single word. You built the system once and now it runs. That is the passive content engine doing exactly what it is designed to do. Here is something the average tutorial never touches. The setup itself takes less than an afternoon. Installing OpenClaw, connecting it to WordPress through app passwords, configuring the agent settings, none of it requires coding knowledge. Hostinger makes the hosting side straightforward, and the OpenClaw documentation walks you through each connection step clearly. You do not need to be a developer to pull this off. You need to understand your client's audience and goals. The technical part is honestly the easiest piece of this whole system. Imagine what your next 30 days look like after building your first passive content engine for a client or for your own site. Content publishing on schedule without you writing it. SEO building quietly in the background, social snippets ready to post each week, your time freed up for strategy, outreach, and growth instead of execution and maintenance. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. OpenClaw plus WordPress plus Hostinger is one of the cleanest low-cost automation stacks I have come across in a while. Get in on this one early.